This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, April 12th, 2014. And now our first look at the Zero Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have some energy moving across the U.S.-Canadian border. Bit of some energy moving across the desert south and west. It's pretty much a zonal flow across the middle part of the country, but that's going to bring a storm system, develop one over Kansas and Colorado. You can see the Gulf beginning to open up. Some showers and thunderstorms could be possible. Maybe some severe weather. We'll have to wait and see about that. Highs today in the 60s and 70s. Then that front stalls over maybe southeastern Iowa on Sunday. Could be showery, some embedded thunderstorms. Highs will be from near 40 northwest to mid to upper 60 southeast with falling temperatures in the northwest during the afternoon. And then into the evening elsewhere, we could see some rain changing over to snow. I said it. Could we see accumulation? Not likely. Monday, it'll be colder, cloudy, slowly clearing, highs in the 40s to near 50. Maybe a few degrees warmer here on Tuesday with highs in the mid to upper 40s northeast to mid 50s south and west. And then as we move into Wednesday, you can see a system will be just to the north. It'll be a warm front bringing some rain, maybe a little bit of mixed snow in South Dakota, Minnesota. We'll stay mostly to partly sunny with highs in the 50s to near 60. That storm draws closer as a low-pressure center begins to take shape over the central plain states. Still looks to be mainly dry, except our northwestern counties could see some rain here on Thursday. And then as we go into Thursday night and into Friday, the low-pressure center will be moving right over the state. That means it's going to be raining, maybe some embedded thunder. Better chances of thunderstorms will be across Illinois, Indiana, and down into the Mississippi River Valley. And then as we go to a week from today, next Saturday, you can see that trough, not a real sharp trough, a broad one over the upper Midwest and the western and central Great Lakes. And that's going to be slowly kicking that storm north and eastward into Canada, taking the precipitation with it. Could see some lingering clouds in our northeastern counties next Saturday, but temperatures will likely still be around normal or just below it in the 50s. Going into the extended period on April the 23rd, we have a system moving across the U.S.-Canadian border again, pretty much a zonal flow from west to east at this point. And with this would bring seasonal weather. The Gulf would start to open up again with another storm system approaching from the west. So maybe showers and thunderstorms here on the 23rd, with it extending back to the west. And then at the end of the forecast on April the 27th, a pretty decent shortwave trough over the central part of the country, over the Missouri River Valley with some energy with it. And this would also bring us another storm system with some showers and thunderstorms. Could be severe weather, but this is more than 2 weeks out, with readings looking like to be near seasonal temperatures in the 60s to near 70 or above or below that. Satellite image from last evening, you can see some clouds streaming in from the west across the Great Plains, upper Midwest, back into the Intermountain West. The tropical jet stream over Mexico, and some rain and clouds over the northeast into the Tennessee River Valley. The watch warning map, fairly quiet across the country. Some flash flood watches in the upstate New York and Vermont. Some fog advisories in the Poconos. Flash flood watches in Michigan and Montana. And a winter storm watch in Wyoming and Colorado. And that's where the QPF chart says there could be quite a bit of precipitation there. Around here, we could see precipitation upwards to 2 to 3 inches or more. This goes through Wednesday evening at 7 p.m.